Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I have not done a get unready with me video in quite some time, so we're going to go ahead and just do that right now. So if you're interested to see what some of my favorites are and a new little device that I use to clean my face, just keep watching.
Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights.
Okay, so I recently got some extensions. Well, they're just clip-in extensions. But anyway, while I take those out, I'm going to chat with you guys. So, these products are not products that I wear every single wear. These are products that I don't use every night. I like to switch it up. To be honest with you, I probably have like 5 different nighttime routines for the stuff that I use to clean my face. I don't wear makeup every single day, and my we're gonna throw my hair up in a bun. My skincare routine is different when I do wear makeup, because, which I think that should be for everyone, just because I don't really feel like you need to use too harsh of a cleanser on your face if you don't really have too much stuff on it. So you should be using you should be using a cleanser for your face that is for makeup removal. You know what I mean? So I'm going to start with some wipes, and these are the Ulta Beauty Makeup Remover Flout. I cannot talk today. Sorry, y'all. Facial towelettes. Now, I'm just going to go over my face with this super quick, and then I'll show you the next product I use. But why I say I just recently got my nose, this side of my nose pierced, and my septum, so I bumped my nose. It's not fun. But why I'm saying that you should use more of a deep cleaning cleanser when you use makeup, when you're wiping it off, because you have all that makeup sitting in your pores and you want to get that out. That's just my advice. I am no doctor, but I do have pretty clear skin, and these products have been really working for me. I do like these Ulta makeup wipes. They have to be probably one of my favorite makeup wipes that I have ever tried, because they really get the product off. Try the Neutrogena ones. I don't know how people use those. That tends to burn my eyes very badly, so I don't use those. Okay, so I got the basic of the makeup off. So I'm going, I think I forgot down here. Yep. Okay. So I have the majority of it off. You can see how that makeup wipe is looking. Now I'm going to go in with this product right here. This is so shake well before use. This is the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Double Cleansing Oil with rose hip and aloe vera. Love this stuff so much. I just pump a little, well, not a little. I do 2 pumps in my hand, and then I really just go mix this. I like to just rub this all over my face. And you can use this right on top of your makeup to kind of like dissolve all that makeup off, but I feel like that can get really messy. I always get it in like the crevices right there of my nose to make sure to get all that off and then really rub it in. So after I'm done rubbing that in, I'm going to run that water to get some warm water real quick. Next, I'm going to be showing you a new product. Sorry, I know that's very, very loud. Real quick. So this right here does look a tad bit dirty just because I did use it yesterday. I love this. So this right here is the Duvalie like brush cleaner. I will show you guys what the packaging looks like here. I do want to thank them for sending me this to review and show you guys. Love it, love it. I've been testing it out for over a month now, and it has gotten rid of all these little small, tiny bumps and stuff I've had all over my face. So I love this. So it comes with a small attachment. You just take it off like that. It comes with a really big one, but I use this one for my buttocks area, like right underneath the thighs to really like exfoliate. And then it does, sorry y'all, I ran up the stairs and I'm like, huh. Then it comes with this one that has the little, I don't know what you call that, Puma stone. So you can like do the bottom of your feet, which I totally need to do today. So I'm going to do that. Not in this video, but in a separate video. So those are the basic ones that I use. Gonna stick this on. I'm gonna get it wet. Let's get it wet. Yeah, I just get it wet. Turn the water off and then turn it on. And really, it's very gentle, which I love. You really just work this in to the skin, and I can show you how dirty and gross that looks from getting a lot of that makeup off. And then I just continue to do my face. Sorry y'all, it's a little hard to do this. You can use this with regular cleanser. Really do whatever, whatever you want. But it's great. Now I just go over and like rinse my face with water. So I have been loving this. As you can see, I only have like this much left. This is one of my absolute favorite cleansers. My face is a little wet, but it's just, use about that much. And then rub it all over my face. It smells really good. e.l.f. has such amazing makeup, but they have amazing skincare, y'all. If you have not tried any of the e.l.f. skincare, you gotta try it. It's so good. And I remember when I was younger and e.l.f. first came out, obviously they were just makeup, a makeup brand, and now in the last few years they have killed it with the skincare brand. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and dry my face. Ouch. I always get my nose ring caught in that. Don't mind my back of my shaved head. I'm growing one little section back out. I'm growing a little section back here out, so it's gonna look a little funky. But gotta go with the flow. Okay, so face feels all clean and shiny and sparkly. Next up, gonna go in with the Pixi Retinol Tonic Soothing Toner. You get me a cotton swab. I like to just drip some of this on there and then go over my whole face. And I do like going over with the toner because I feel it does get any of that remaining makeup off. Plus, toner is really good for your skin. So look at that. Still had a bit more makeup left on my skin even after I cleanse it twice. So I totally recommend using a toner or the micellar water to go over your face even after you wash it to really get deep down into your skin. You know? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and actually take a bath. And I do tend to I take a really hot bath, so I get a little bit sweaty a bit, you know, like the steam and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to put any of my serums or anything like that on just yet. I will do that right after I take a bath, so you guys will see me in like, not even 2 seconds. You'll see me like in just a minute. You know? I can't talk! You guys will see me in a second after I take my bath and I'll put my serum on. Alright, that bath was well needed. So I'm going to go ahead and put some serum on my face. This is the Forsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. Has a little dropper. I drop a few drops. My cat's meowing in the background. And then we'll rub this onto my skin. And then I will go in with my, where is it at? My jade roller. I like to use this when I use serum. I don't use serum every night. I use serum every other night. I just feel like it makes my skin a bit more hydrated. Like it. This jade roller is nice and cool and it feels so good. Okay, turn that off. And then I'm going to go in with my eye cream. And again, I don't use eye cream every night just because my eyes have been a bit kind of dry and sensitive lately with all of just the weather change and stuff. And I was going to say flu season. No. Allergy, I don't know, is it allergy season? I'm not used to having allergies, so yeah. Anyway, this is the 24 Karat Gold Collagen Eye Cream from Physicians Formula. And as you can see, there's a little bit of like gold flakes in this. But once you apply it, they kind of like rub away. I added a little. It's very easy to get too much, but you don't need that much. I don't do it on the top of my lids. Just really lightly rub this in all around the eye. Because this girl, I mean, I haven't gotten any wrinkles yet, but I'm just trying to prevent them. Now that I'm 30, I'm like, I need to start preventing wrinkles. So, last but not least, actually, nope, I used my other toner. I was just thinking, I was like, I usually use my spray toner, but I used my Pixi toner, so we're not going to use any spray stuff today. I'm just going to go in with this simple Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. It's a little sample tube, and I'm just trying to use this up because it's almost empty. I do have a bigger version of this, and this brand is amazing. If you have dry skin, I highly recommend this one because this I go to when my skin is like super dry and it really helps out. So yeah, that's the end of this video. What skincare, sorry that was loud. What skincare products do you guys use? Let me know down below what some of your favorites are. I would totally try them out. I have a tons more other skincare products I use, and as you can see, my face is pretty good. I have like a little breakout there. Other than that, my skin's pretty healthy. I don't have much dry patches, and I don't get too oily anymore. Excuse me. With age, your skin does tend to change. So yeah, that's my skincare routine for like one night of the week. If you want to see the other nights of the week what I use, let me know down below and I can do like a combination video. Excuse me of that so you guys can see what I use. But thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.